Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I am also a computer technician by trade. I am having a problem with my Apple getting online. Instead of wiping your Apple out completely, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So you're going to be at your home page. You're going to hit your settings. You're going to click in reset. You're going to go down to reset network settings. You don't have to wipe the whole phone out. Click on that. Alright, I'm going to click on research settings. Okay, we're going to hit search. Do not hit this one that says to a new iPad. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom and hit reset. You're going to get a new, I'm trying to get the glare out of here. You're going to hit reset, and then you're just going to reset the network settings, because sometimes these updates are garbage. And you hit the next, and then of course I'm going to put in my password. And now it's going to reset my network settings, which will allow me to get online, because these updates are complete garbage and sometimes things don't work. This is just a mechanic and a computer tech thing for any kind of Apple's devices or Macs. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. We have a new feature on our videos that says join. If you click on join, you have silver, which I will give you a shout out on the video that when you do the when you join. If you choose the gold, I will give you a shout out, and you will have access to the videos before anybody else. So you'll have front row seats before anybody else sees the video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please leave positive comments and positive advice. We all like to learn, including me. Thank you.